Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google Partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is: I set up a manual CPC campaign on Google Ads. Used to be maximize, CPC. Okay. Google keeps changing it back to maximize CPC campaign. Example, when I had it max, it was costing 4 to 3.50 CPC. My CPC costing same keywords 2.2 to 7. How can they keep changing it back to max to cost me $3.5 CPC? Again, you know that Google has an algorithm designed which they automatically recommend different people different assignments. So you can see over here that once if I land you over here, now this is an account dashboard. You may need to have to keep an eye on your notifications, and you know that once in a while you may see recommendations over here. So what you have to do is you have to dismiss those recommendations. In case if I see over here as well, you know that Google keeps on verifying, suggesting different things. I'm just looking on if any account has this or not as well. No, or you can see that your have names or logos that are disabled. Again, you know that there will be accounts where Google will be suggesting few of the things, which is so what you have to do is you have to disable those automatic recommendations. Otherwise, it will keep on changing on 3 CPC or 5 because Google wants you to spend more and more money. So Google will find different ways, which will suggest you to how you can get more traffic, more, improve your conversions. So Google is always working on those models. Again, it is an automated system. Now this is not a manual, but their algorithm is designed in such a way that they keep on suggesting, that they thought that when you will move to 3.5 CPC, you will get more traffic, and when you get more traffic, you will get more conversions, more sales. So this is a automatic recommendation. So you have to keep an eye on your notifications tab, and in case if you see any automatic recommendations, make sure to disable those so they do not automatically apply on your account. Because if they apply automatically on your account, you will see again that your CPC bidding strategy has been changed from manual CPC to maximize CPC. Now to stop this automatic bidding strategy, keep an eye on your notifications tab, and this won't happen again. So thank you. I hope this answers your question. But again, in case if you need a professional help with the Google Ads campaign, me and my team can definitely help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we're going to make sure to get an awesome Google Ads campaign for your business. So I look forward to working with you guys. What you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and you will get an awesome Google Ads campaign. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.